Imagine waking up to the news. The US government and other governments have officially disclosed knowledge of UAPs and UFOs, including evidence of crashed vehicles, reverse engineering of said vehicles, retrieved bodies, etc. For many, this would be the most shocking revelation of our lifetime. But for others, yawn. It's been a long time coming. At any rate, how should the common man respond? And how do we stay calm and rational when the world feels suddenly turned upside down? It's normal to feel anxiety, disbelief, even fear. Sudden world-changing news threatens our sense of reality and control. But remember, our reactions are shaped by uncertainty, imagination, and a long history of science fiction. It's important to define what disclosure really means. Governments revealing crashed UFOs or some sort of alien presence, it doesn't automatically mean danger. Evidence might be ambitious, incomplete, or misunderstood. Disclosure could simply mean that there's some kind of unknown technology that's there, but not that we're facing some sort of immediate threat. History teaches us that new information often feels unsettling at first, but humanity, for the most part, we're just eager to adapt. Let's turn to science and reason. Experts will study the evidence, they're going to debate its implications, and they're going to seek answers. So don't be surprised to hear folks who've always said, aliens visiting Earth is impossible, to suddenly be saying something like, well, of course they can come here, it's perfectly logical. Humanity has faced paradigm shifts before: electricity, flight, computers, AI, even the discovery of exoplanets. Our societies grow stronger when we approach the unknown with calm curiosity, not fear-based paranoia. So how do we stay calm? Breathe. Pause and breathe. Don't let rumors and speculation or wild theories overwhelm you. Seek out credible sources. Rely on scientific experts when you can, not just sensational headlines. Be aware of deep fake technology. Connect with others. Talk, share, process the news together. Remember your values, our humanity, which is compassion and resilience and curiosity. That matters more than ever. Disclosure. It would be just the beginning. Scientists, leaders, communities, they would need to work together to understand and respond. Life would continue. Our routines, relationships, and our dreams would not vanish overnight. This could be a moment for unity, discovery, and new perspectives. So if you're feeling anxious about this possibility, just know that you're not alone. We can face unknowns together with calm, reason, and hope. Anyway, I welcome you to share your thoughts in the comments section. How would you react if the government disclosed the presence of some sort of UFO thing? In the meantime, I'll disclose something to you, my friends. Yes, aliens or not, the old behavioral threshold monster's still there, waiting to drag us all down into Cohen's behavioral sink. So, what are you waiting for? Go back to your doom-scrolling traps. Remember, my friends, you can leave a comment in the comments section on your way out, and if you found anything useful, please take a moment. You can like, share, subscribe. You can even, here we go, ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, I'm Katatu, and I'm saying so long from Universe 26, your channel at the end of the universe.